Hello, we're going to do a quick video for what does Screener 19 look like now that we are in the spring term 2021. And you're going to notice first thing is that the first questions is a little bit different. Where it says, are you coming to campus today? It wants you to check all that apply. So hopefully you're coming to class. If you're doing any athletics, activities, student support, hub, you would check those things. Or if you're not coming to campus, you would check just, no, I'm not coming to campus. Okay, but you can check all that do apply, as you can see. So for our sake of business, we're going to say, well, let's go to class and hub today. And when we click yes, it'll take you to all the rest of the questions. Within the last 14 days, have you had, a diagnosis? Hopefully all of these are no. In the last 24 hours, have you developed any symptoms? And again, no. Hopefully that's the answer. Next, do you live in the same household as or had close contact with someone in the past 14 days? And again, hopefully that answer is no. Once you do all that stuff, it'll show you right here what you've said. So yes, you're coming to campus, where you're going. Your answers were no, and you would hit submit. And when you do, you would get where you're going, the date, and this green check mark. Those are what you're going to want to see and show, and those are the things that, again, you're going to be able to show as you're coming in, checking in through the school sites. In the event that you had said something that would have created a red X, like so, you would need to contact your school nurse. Do not come to school on the days if you show a red X. Again, you would have to contact your school nurse to find out what's going on and to get cleared to be able to come onto campus. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully you'll be able to take care of this. Make sure you do it every day before coming to school, and you're going to show that as you're checking in. Thank you, and be safe out there.